In other news, the realm of cyberspace has turned gambling in the homeland from menace to scourge, which has drawn so many kids online to squander their savings, future, and ruin even other lives as a result. Now the PAOK is stepping in by shutting down certain internet gaming and wagering sites for good, as we hear more from our Rod Lagusad.
Total ban. This is what the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission or PAOK is pushing for when it comes to online gambling. According to PAOK Executive Director Undersecretary Gilbert Cruz, many families have been ruined by this vice, including those of overseas Filipino workers. He added that they may also push for this to become law in Congress.
We can lobby naman basing in taking into reference yung mga naging accomplishments po namin. So, pwede namin sabihin po yun dahil may mga nakita po kami.
The agency also said they are continuing their research on online gambling, including identifying who is operating legally or illegally. Once completed, they can then make recommendations to the President.
I'm against or total ban po yung gusto ko kasi yun po yung nakikita ko, na-experience po namin. But, ang tingin ko, si Presidente po doon po papunta sa total ban.
He said that based on the complaints they have received regarding online gambling, it is usually parents or spouses who report the issues. Cruz emphasized that it is clearly becoming a family problem. As per who might be behind these operations, besides foreign nationals, some Filipinos are also involved. They have also received reports that some people fall victim to online lending apps because of online gambling, which lead to harassment. And compared to POGO operations,
nung nagtrabaho kami sa POGO 2 years ago, meron na po kami nakikitang online lending. So, pwedeng magkakagrupo yan eh.
Meanwhile, following the viral photo of a lawmaker watching online sabong on his cell phone,
Well, sa akin dapat investigasyon yun, investigahan yun. Kasi, I mean, it's supposed to be a, botohan yun, di ba? And siguro respeto na lang po sa office. Sa akin. So, kailangan imbestigahan lang kung ano yung magiging tugon niya doon sa investigasyon din, bahala po siya.
the incident happened while the House was voting for the House Speakership for the 20th Congress. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.